Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen. Thanks so much for stopping in. I want to show you how to make some incredible pork steaks going with a little salsa and a side of vegetables. When life gets crazy busy, I am all about easy, delicious meals, and I'm telling you what, this pork steak dish absolutely delivers. Now, I have two shoulder cut pork steaks right from the Heinen's meat department, always wheat care certified. They're about an inch thick, bone in. The marbling is fantastic. It will eat like a ribeye. It is juicy, it is tender, it is flavorful, and the value that you're going to get from this is going to blow your mind. Here's how I'm going to prepare it. I'm first going to add some oil to a plate. Next, I've got some Two Brothers blackening seasonings. Going to add some nice spice here. Then I'm going to mix everything in with a spoon, season it with salt. Then, taking one pork steak at a time, I want to completely coat it on both sides. Then I'm going to add it to a sheet tray that's lined with a little bit of aluminum foil. And really quick, if you want to be even simpler, these pork steaks are fantastic with just salt and pepper. All right, once they're on the sheet tray, they're going in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to take about 15 to 17 minutes. After that amount of time, what we're going to do is just crank the broiler on high and stick it on that middle rack and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Get a little browned up on top. In the meantime, I've got a bag of Heinen's frozen California medley loaded up with cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. I'm going to add it to a pot of boiling water. It only takes about 4 minutes to cook because once it's boiling in those vegetables, to me, it's done. And while they're draining, we're gonna take out our pork steaks, let them rest. We're at that perfect 145, 150 degrees Fahrenheit internally. You do not need to eat pork well done. It's fantastic. Medium, medium plus, medium well. I'm telling you, a little pink in there is gonna go a long way. Now what we're gonna do is come back, cut up some butter, add the vegetables back to that drained pot, hit it with butter, season it with salt and pepper, just mix it until everything is combined and the butter is melted. Then to plate it up with the pork steak and the vegetables, I got one more secret. Heinen's pineapple and mango salsa. Oh my goodness, this stuff is gold. I love that it's pre-prepared and ready to go. Makes my night even easier and better. I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of that right on top just to offset some of that spice from the blackened seasoning. A perfect balanced meal. So tender, so delicious. I cannot say it enough. This will absolutely be your new go-to meal. I've got a lot of pork steaks to eat. We'll see you next time.